Meron ka bang multo?
Course. Arky yung kinukuha kong course ngayon. Pero ang gusto ko talaga and sinisigaw ng heart ko is multimedia arts. Pero andun yung practicality over passion. Kumbaga, isa sa mga stereotype pagdating sa arts na wala namang profession na mararating.
Factor din ba yung parents mo dun sa pagpili ng Arky over MMA?
Hindi naman, pero more on relatives. In-encourage nila ako na mag-take ng mga, yung well-known course, like med.
Naisip mo pa rin ba ngayon yon na what if?
Oo, kasi lalo na third year RT student ako, pahirap na ng pahirap yung course ko. And naiisip ko na kung gusto ko mahirapan sa isang bagay, doon na lang ako sa gusto ko, sa kung saan ako masaya. Kasi willing ako magpakahirap basta gusto ko yung ginagawa ko.
So masasabi mo naka-move on ka na sa multo mo?
Hindi pa fully.
Andito tayo ngayon sa BGC. Mag-interview ulit tayo ng couples.
I'm Luke.
I'm Elise.
Gano'ng katagal na kayo, guys?
Today is our 8th anniversary.
Wow! Grabe, 8 years!
Yeah.
How did you meet?
We met in college. My other friend asked us out if I could drink. Sabi ko, it was a Monday night. Sabi ko, I'm not going out unless you bring a friend.
Gets kita.
And then my friend pulled up naman. She brought Elise.
First impression of each other.
He's tall, right, and funny. Very funny. Doon ako sa charm talaga ng tao. Yeah.
Really? Okay.
Kinilig siya!
8 years, nagkikilig ako.
What makes your relationship work? Umabot kayo ng 8 years, di ba?
For me, it's always to remember to date your partner. Make an effort to get to know them pa rin because you're both growing.
I feel like it's more of we complement each other.
Meron ba kayong distinct personality na different from one another?
She's very extroverted.
Very smart.
An extroverted girl and a smart guy
Yeah.
is a good blend, would you say?
Yeah, I would say, yeah.
Okay. Sakto-sakto, parang Jollibee iced mocha. It has the right blend of rich coffee and creamy chocolate that hits different. Gusto nyo ba matry yun?
Yes, sure. Alright, cheers.
So, kamusta?
I love it. Very refreshing, lalo na kasi summer.
I think this is my first time tasting this. It's pretty good. I didn't know that Jollibee had such a thing. It's a vibe. Period.
Meron ka bang multo?
Friendship. This person, we got really, really close. Like, for me, hindi siya best friend. Alam mo yung parang kapatid mo na ganun ka-close. So, ayun, I think life just happens, transition happens, and eventually, hindi na kami ganun ka-close.
Ano nangyari? Ba't kayo nagkaroon ng friendship breakup?
No one's bad naman in this story. It's just that there are relationships or connections na as you grow up, as you discover more of yourself, you just have to take two separate ways. We grew apart.
Until now ba, naisip mo pa rin yung multo mo?
Oo naman. I do remember. I do miss her.
What if bibigyan ka ng chance na makausap ulit siya? May gusto ka bang sabihin sa kanya?
Oh, I hope you're doing well. I'm so proud of you. You don't feel my presence, pero I'm a silent supporter.
Anong iniisip mo nun? Ba't mo siya pinuntahan?
Pag mahal mo yung isang tao, you want to be there for her.
Mahal man ako nun.
Eh, pinuntahan kita eh.
Yee!
Ikaw ang payapang hinahanap-hanap ko.
Ba't ganun? Parang nakakaingit naman yun. Hi guys, what are your names?
I'm Jam.
I'm Carol.
Gano'ng katagal na kayo?
5 years.
Ay, 5 years na kayo?
Yeah.
How did you meet?
Mag-classmate po kami nung grade 8. Seatmates po kami.
Actually, crush na ako nun. Tapos, hindi ko lang siya pinapansin.
Totoo ba?
Opo, hindi niya ako gusto dati. Tapos, nung hindi ko na siya gusto, tsaka niya ako nagustuhan.
Nung moment na magiging kayo na, tinanong mo ba siya na, can you be my girlfriend? May ganun ba? Bakit kayo tumatawa? I-share nyo naman yung tawa nyo sa amin.
Kasi ang awkward po nung nangyari. Gusto ko na po siyang sabihin na sinasagot ko lang po siya. Tapos hindi ko ma-bring up. So, para mga 30 minutes, tinatawanan ko lang po siya. Tapos tinatanong niya, bakit ano meron? Tapos sabi ko, ano kasi? Puro po ako ano kasi. Ilang minutes na, hindi ko pa rin nasasabi. Tapos tinype ko na lang. Tapos pinakita ko sa cellphone.
Nung pinaka-sweet na ginawa niya para sa'yo?
Binantay niya ako sa hospital po nung na-confine ako. Yung start na po nung pandemic, nila-lockdown na po. Pero
Okay.
pumunta pa rin siya.
Sino nag-i-start ng away? Hi guys, what are your names?
I'm Jay.
I'm Annika.
Gano'ng katagal na kayo guys?
7 years.
Wow, 7 years! How did you meet?
Happy tea.
Back in Taft.
DLSyo kayo?
She's from UST.
Number, bro.
CSB ako.
My best friend, they're blockmates.
So,
First week ng college yun.
first week of college.
Inuman agad.
Inuman. Oh, nice, nice. What was your first impression of
The first time I met her, sobrang, that's my type. Ganun. Automatic talaga ako na, oy, chicks. Yun mismo yung type ko. Exactly like that. I don't know if she can say the same.
Yeah. For you.
Chicks ka din daw, bro. What's your favorite thing about her?
She's just so caring. Nararamdaman ko talaga yung alaga niya. Kasi after the 4 years, 5 years, yung looks still matters, pero syempre yung personality na, yung alaga.
Ano yung secret to have a long-lasting relationship?
Dapat willing kayo mag-adjust to each other.
It's not always happy naman eh. Hindi naman laging smiles and joy. Meron ring pero galing sa kanya lang Wala ka talaga.
Grabe na, mga away.
Yun lang.
So, sino nag-i-start ng away? Ikaw na lang, bro.
Ako talaga.
Laging tama ang girls.
Baka mag-away kami mamaya.
Baka mag-away kayo, bro.
Teresita Orazons in KM44, also in Pasitawan.